guys, it's Stock Curry, and in today's video I'm going to give you all the market news you need to know for tomorrow, including why the markets fell on Monday. I've also got an update for you on Mullen Automotive, and we're going to discuss 9 cryptocurrencies to buy now. So let's get into it! The markets fell on Monday after Jerome Powell said inflation was higher than expected and that the Fed will have to do some 50 basis point rate hikes in the future to get inflation under control. Powell also said that would slow down the economy, but that it would be necessary to do that in order to get inflation under control. Now, the good news is the markets did recover a little bit in the last hour of trading, so we'll have to see where the markets go from here. Now, because of Jerome Powell's comments on Monday, the CME futures are now pricing in a 63% chance of a 50 basis point rate hike at the Fed's next meeting and only a 37% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike. A higher interest rate hike affects tech stocks more than others, so watch for the Nasdaq to continue falling further than the S&P and the Dow. Now, taking a look at the technicals, pretty much every index and stock I looked at stayed right below resistance today. So this week remains very unpredictable. We're still waiting to see if the stocks will break above resistance levels and continue going higher, or if they're going to bounce off of these resistance levels and continue falling lower. All right, before we get into our cryptocurrency picks, let me give you an update on MULN. This is Mullen Automotive. And what I want to look at is the technical analysis on the stock. Now, what I did is I drew a Fibonacci retracement from the 52-cent level low all the way up to the $14.40 high that it opened at a few months ago. And what we see here is a couple of points on the fib that line up pretty close with my support resistance levels that I drew earlier. Now, large institutions started selling MULN on Monday as it hit its first resistance level here at around the 78.6% level on the Fibonacci retracement. We can also see how MULN opened right at that 78.6% level on the Fibonacci retracement, so it looks like this is going to be a strong level of resistance for MULN. Because this is such a strong level of resistance, it's really hard to tell if MULN will continue going higher on Tuesday or if it's going to bounce off of this and this is going to be the top and it's going to start going back down again. Now, personally, I think it will continue higher. So if it does, the next fib level is at $5.80. And that lines up pretty close with my resistance line that I drew at $5.94. If I were playing MULN, then somewhere around $5.80 to $5.90 is where I would sell. I would not hold and try to sell at the 50% fib level of $7.46 because there's no guarantees that it'll get there. And even if it does, it will probably only get there for a very short period of time. Further, I will also let you know that options are available in MULN, so you can use options to trade the stock on both the way up and the way back down. Now let's get into our 9 cryptocurrencies to buy now, and the first one is BTC. This is Bitcoin. BTC is down 29% on the year. This is the original cryptocurrency. It's the best known and most widely held. All other cryptocurrencies are called alternative coins or altcoins. Technically, BTC is in an ascending wedge, which is a bullish technical pattern, but points to continued consolidation for weeks to come. Bitcoin should break out to the upside, but it might not break out until May. So now would be a good time to build a position on BTC before it breaks out. And next up is ADA. This is Cardano. Cardano is down 24% on the year. Cardano is popular because of their smart contracts and proof of stake, but it might lose out to Ethereum 2.0, which will basically be the same thing. Technically, ADA was in a bullish descending wedge pattern since December, and it just broke out of the wedge 4 days ago. The 10-day and 21-day EMAs are about to cross, which is confirmation of a new bull run on ADA. So now would be a great time to load up on ADA since a new bull run is just getting started. Next up is ALGO. This is Algorand, and it's down 32% over the past year. Algorand is famous for its speed. It's as fast as financial networks, so it's a real-world possible replacement for purchasing goods and doing other financial transactions. ALGO has a very similar chart to ADA. It also just broke out of a bullish descending wedge pattern, and the 10-day and 21-day EMAs are also about to cross on ALGO. This would be another good crypto to load up on as a new bull run is just now starting. Next up is CRO. This is Cronos, formerly known as Crypto.com coin. It is up 82% over the past year. This is the official coin for Crypto.com, so it's kind of like buying shares in Crypto.com. Now, it's very difficult to see the technicals on this one because it was just added to Webull, but the chart and technicals appear to be very similar to ALGO and ADA. So this would be another good crypto to buy into, but I can't confirm a bull run since I don't really have enough history on it. That said, if you think more and more people will start using Crypto.com as interest for cryptocurrencies rises, then CRO would be a good coin to invest in. Next up is ETH. This is Ethereum, and Ethereum is up 62% over the past year. Ethereum is the most widely used cryptocurrency, second to Bitcoin. It's fallen behind a lot of the proof-of-stake altcoins, but it will catch up quickly once Ethereum 2.0 is launched in 2023. Taking a look at the technicals, Ethereum already had the 10-day EMA cross above the 21-day EMA, so Ethereum is already bullish. Now, I do want to point out that Ethereum in the past has struggled to get above the 200-day EMA, so we're really going to have to see if Ethereum can break above this $3,150 level. If it can, then Ethereum for sure is going on another bull run. Otherwise, we might get a bounce and drop back down. So we have to wait and see, but for now, it is bullish. Next up is LRC. This is Loopring, and it's up 44% over the past year. Loopring was used by GameStop for their NFT platform. Outside of that, it's really not that unique, and it might be obsolete once Ethereum 2.0 comes out. Now, Loopring is bullish on the technicals, and the pullback that we just got over the past 3 days makes for a great buying opportunity. Next up is MANA. This is Decentraland, and Decentraland is up 145% over the past year. Decentraland is the leading metaverse platform, with Sandbox being a close second. This is a great play if you think the Decentraland metaverse will grow in the future. Unlike the other cryptocurrencies we've talked about so far, MANA is bearish on the technicals, so I would wait for it to bottom out before buying in. It could drop down to as low as $1 before bottoming out. And next up is MATIC. This is Polygon, and it's up 285% over the past year. Polygon is a development platform for developing web apps using the Ethereum blockchain for security, yet lowering the transaction costs. Polygon is used by over 7,000 apps and growing. Polygon will grow as the use case for Ethereum grows, so this is a great supplement to Ethereum. Like MANA though, MATIC remains bearish on the technicals, so I would wait for it to bottom out before buying in. MATIC could drop as low as $1.10 before bottoming out. And next up is SOL. This is Solana, and it's up 527% over the past year. Solana is similar to Polygon's focus on scalability and security, but it's on its own proof-of-stake protocol rather than Ethereum. Now that's great right now, but it might be overshadowed by Ethereum once Ethereum 2.0 comes out. Now, if this can grow large enough before Ethereum 2.0 is released, then it should be able to maintain its place as a strong competitor to Ethereum. Now, like MANA and MATIC, SOL is also bearish on the technicals. But like ADA, ALGO, and CRO, the 10-day EMA is also about to cross above the 21-day EMA, which is bullish. So while SOL might not be that bullish right now, it could go on a new bull run soon. It's less certain than the other coins on this list though, so I wouldn't load up on SOL right now, but perhaps dollar cost averaging in would be the way to go. If SOL fails to turn bullish though and continues to drop, it could drop as low as $40 before bottoming out. The last crypto we're going to talk about today is XTZ. This is Tezos, and it's down 22% on the year. Now, I know I said I was only going to talk about 9 cryptos, but here's a bonus 10th one for you guys. Now, Tezos was a great protocol, but it's becoming obsolete as better protocols, such as Solana and Ethereum 2.0, are released. We don't have a lot of history on Webull since this was just added to Webull recently, But on the Crypto.com chart, we can see how it's near the bottom of a long-term uptrend that goes back to March of 2019. So now would be a great time to buy into XTZ for a swing trade. I would not hold XTZ long-term though, because like I said, it is becoming obsolete as better protocols are being released. And by the way, all of these cryptocurrencies are available on Crypto.com if you want to own the actual coins and be able to stake them. And by the way, Crypto.com has some of the best staking rates out of any platform out there. So if you want to sign up for Crypto.com and get $25 in free CRO, you can use my link in the description below to sign up. All of these cryptocurrencies are also available on Webull, so stick around because in 1 minute I'm going to show you how you can get $5 in free crypto on Webull plus up to $9,600 in free stocks just for opening an account and depositing just $1. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and get a lot out of it. Comment down below which cryptocurrencies you're going to be buying. And I wanted to let you know that if you want to buy these on Webull, not only will you get $5 in free crypto when you make your first crypto trade, you will also get 5 free stocks worth up to $9,600 when you use my link in the description below to sign up and deposit just $1. Now that is a special promotion that's running through the end of this month, so you only have a few days left to sign up for Webull and take advantage of that offer. If you want to get 5 free stocks worth up to $9,600 and $5 in free crypto when you make your first crypto trade, then sign up for Webull using my link in the description below and deposit at least $1 before the end of this month. Now, if you're not a US resident or if you're looking to trade OTC penny stocks, then I recommend Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a highly discounted trading platform. Trades start at just $1 US, $1 Canadian dollar, 4 euros, or 6 Australian dollars, depending upon where you live. And both Webull and Interactive Brokers also offer the full pre-market and after-hours trading from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I do want to remind you that I have material connections with both of those, so whenever you sign up for either one, not only are you getting a great broker to trade with, you're also helping me to continue to produce these great videos for you. Now, finally, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the page if you haven't already. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you tomorrow.